Hello Mathos, welcome to One My Maths. Today we are going to find cube roots of given numbers. Before that, just you have to remember the cubes of 1 to 9. Then it is easy to find the cube roots of given numbers. Here, once you have to look here. So 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512 and 9 cube 729. And so when you observe in the cubes of 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, so the unit digit will be 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. So number itself. So 1 cube is nothing but 1. 5 cube is nothing but 125. So unit digit is 5. 4 cube 64. Unit digit is 4. 6 cube 216. Unit digit is 6. In the same way 9 cube 729 and unit digit is 9. So for 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, so unit digit will be in the cube of unit digit will be same. And for 2 it will be 8, for 8 it will be 2. Next 3 it will be 7 and 7 it will be 3. That means 2 cube. So you will get unit digit place as 8 and 8 cube 512. So unit digit is 2. In the same way 3 cube 27 unit digit will be 7, 7 cube 343 unit digit will be 3. So based on this, if you remember these things you will get easily cube roots. So before you have to go through once these things, then you will easily find the cube roots here. So first of all you have to find, so we are going with finding cube roots of these numbers. So first of all I am taking 1331. So how to find the cube root of 1331? So here what we have to do is just you have to box for the tens place and hundreds place number and you have to cross it. Tens place and 100 place. Now you have to write, so 1, so cube of 1 will be 1, means cube root also it will comes as 1, so this is 1. And now for this digit, so this is 1, so you have to observe which cube is nearer to 1. So already you know 1 cube is nothing but 1, so this is also 1, so 11. So 11 is the cube root of 1331. It means this is equals to 11. And for 13,824, so here also you have to write that number 13,824. Now what I am doing is for tens place and 100 place numbers I am rounding off. So I am cross out that two numbers, two digits. Now here it is 4. So here for 4 in the cube and cube root same. So that's why I am writing 4 as t is. Next for 13 nearest cube. So we have to go with the nearest one, means either lesser or equals. So the cube which is nearer to 13 is, so here C 8. So 8 cube root is 2. So 8 is the nearest cube and its cube root is 2. That's why just you have to write it here 2. So the cube root of 13,824 is 24. So this is the method to find the cube root. Next, and we'll go with the another one. 79507. 79507. So here 79507. So what you have to do is 79507. So in the same, previously we have done the tens place and hundreds place. I am rounding off, means crossed out. Then here 7 in the unit place. So from this, if 7 is in the unit place, the cube root will be, the units place is 3. So just writing here 3. In the same way, previously we have done 79 is there. So the nearest cube is, what is the nearest cube to 79? So here 64, 125. 125 is far away from 79 and it is greater than. So that's why we are going with the lesser one, and which is nearer, 64. So what is the cube root of 64? 4. So this is 4. So this is equals to 43. Cube root is 43. And again, now I am going with another number, 571877. So here also I am crossing out the tens place and hundreds place number. Now I am going with the unit digit 7. If in the cube it will be 7, means cube root it will be 3. So I am writing 3. Again for 571. So 571, nearest cube you have to observe. So from this we are going to with 8 cube 512. So 512 is the nearest cube for the 571. So 512 cube root is 8. So just I am writing here 8. So 83 is the cube root of this number. So this is the way we are very easy to find the given numbers of cube roots. Next, so we will go with the another one. So here, see here, 175616. So what is the cube root of 175616? So what you have to do is tens place and hundreds place you have to strike out. So here 6 is there. So in the cube also, cube root also 6 will be 6. So unit digit will be 6, and 175 nearest cube you have to observe. So 5 cube is the nearest cube, means 125. So 125 cube root is 5. So here I am writing, so 5. So this is 56. In the same way, 59319. So 59319. So here also I am striking off tens place and hundreds place number. Now go with the unit digit 9 is there. For cube and cube root also the same digit, the 9. So I am writing 9 as it is. Now check with 59. So what is the nearest cube? So here nearest cube means, so 64, but it is exceeding 59, that's why going with 27. So cube root of 27 is 3. Just I am writing here 3. So 39 is the cube root of 59,319. So this is the way to finding cube roots of the given numbers. Thank you for watching.